Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on the OKX application. So let's get started right away. If you open up the OKX application and log into your account using your credentials, then you will be taken into your home page, from which you will find the settings option at the top left section. Now from this page, if you tap on your account page, you will be taken into various options. Tap on the Preferences tab, and here you will be able to change various different settings for the application based on your preference. Alongside the Preference option, you will also find the Notifications tab. Go ahead and tap on this, and then tap on Notifications, and you will be able to set what kind of notifications you want to be notified about. If you want only a few notifications, go ahead and select Basics. However, this will not fully turn off notifications from the application. So in order to turn it off completely, go ahead and long press on the OKX application and tap on the Info button. Now from the Info page, you will find Notifications underneath Privacy. Go ahead and tap on it, and now underneath Allow Notifications, tap on the toggle button to turn it off. Once you do this, all notifications from the OKX application will be turned off. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on the OKX application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.